Aloha gang, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Scalar 2 and a MIDI controller to play chords just like an MPC or sampler. Let's get it. Welcome back, you guys. If you've been following this channel for a little while, you know how much I absolutely love Scalar 2. And one of my favorite functions is what is called bind. And that is where you click the little button and it binds the chords to your MIDI controller. So that's what we're going to be focusing on today. I just want to really quick say welcome to everybody who is new. Make sure you guys are subscribing because this channel I have made to grow your music and production skills. I've been a producer for over 20 years as well as a performer and writer, and I want to help the new and experienced producer grow their mixing and production skills. So what are you waiting for? Hit that little subscribe button and hit that thumbs up so I know you're following along. All right, let's jump on into it. All right, you guys, so since we're going to be focusing on the bind feature, I'm going to just drop in a little loop that I downloaded from Splice. It's sort of a hip hop style, 90s kind of old school boom bap. And I thought that would be kind of cool to show you how we can turn our MIDI controller and Scalar into sort of an MPC sampler style setup. So in order to turn this functionality on, you're going to come over here to this right hand side and you're going to click the bind button. Now what this is doing is this is taking all of this chord progression and putting it onto our keyboard. And since I have my MIDI controller hooked into my computer, I'm able to use my MIDI controller as sort of an MPC sampler. Now let me turn this up a little bit so you can really hear. All right, there we go. Now, anytime you see this little square on the side, that means that you can bind the chords that are within this section. So come down to this B section and we can, now we have binded our, this looks like the C Lydian scale to our MIDI controller. And then I will show you at the end how we can drag and drop our chords right here and then bind that to the C section so we can make a custom chord progression. But let's start on this top section up here. We're going to go ahead and bind, and let's go ahead and listen to that. That simple. Okay, so like I said, we can come down here and if we wanted to play from just a regular C Lydian scale, we can change the different voicings, or we can make these all sevenths. Right? Okay, and so this last section is somewhere where you can actually create custom patterns. So let's just make one out of this top chord progression. Ooh, that's kind of cool. All right, so let's go ahead and hit this bind button. Love it. So I love this about Scalar 2. When I actually first started producing, I started out on the MPC. So I'm always trying to sort of get back to that tactile sort of functionality. And that's one thing I absolutely love about Scalar 2. You can drop in as many different chord progressions as you want and then bind it to your MIDI controller and just go ahead and play away, which I absolutely love. If you guys want to see how to make a whole song, I'm talking verse, chorus, pre-chorus, all that in a row, and you know, switch between the different parts, click on this video right here. I do a full breakdown of how to make a whole song from start to finish, and I think you guys will absolutely love it. If you guys want to see me cover other things in Scalar 2, please let me know, and as always, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help. All right, peace.